Welcome to Tool Mentorship, your go-to source for expert tool reviews. If you are searching for the best electric saw for wood, you've landed in the right place. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, having the right electric saw makes all the difference in precision, power, and efficiency. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 electric saws for 2025, revealing their standout features, performance, and real-world usability. But before we dive in, make sure to check the description box and the pinned comment for the best deals on these electric saws. Now, let's get started with our countdown to find the ultimate saw for your woodworking needs. Craftsman CMix 600. Starting off at number 5, we have the Craftsman CMix 600, a reliable and powerful electric chainsaw built for both beginners and experienced users. This saw features a 12-amp motor, delivering consistent power for cutting through thick wood with ease. The 16-inch low kickback bar and chain ensure smooth and controlled cuts, making it ideal for trimming branches, cutting firewood, and handling small to medium-sized woodworking projects. The tool-free chain tensioning system makes adjustments quick and hassle-free, while the auto-oiling mechanism keeps the chain lubricated for optimal performance. With a lightweight design and ergonomic grip, the CMix 600 reduces fatigue during long use. If you're looking for an affordable, well-balanced chainsaw with excellent safety features, this one is a solid choice. Check the description box for the best price available. DeWalt DWS 780. At number 4, we have the DeWalt DWS 780, one of the most highly rated miter saws in the industry. This powerhouse comes with a 15-amp motor and delivers 3,800 revolutions per minute, allowing for precise and efficient crosscuts. The 12-inch blade provides excellent cutting depth, making it ideal for large woodworking projects like furniture building, deck construction, and crown molding. One of its standout features is the XPS crosscut positioning system, which offers superior visibility of the cutting line without needing a laser guide. The double bevel design ensures versatility, while the stainless steel miter detent plate enhances accuracy. If you're a serious woodworker looking for precision, durability, and top-tier performance, the DWS 780 is a must-have. Check out the first comment for current pricing. Black Plus Decker BDE JS 300C. Coming in at number 3 is the Black Plus Decker BDE JS 300C, an affordable and beginner-friendly jigsaw that doesn't compromise on performance. This saw boasts a 4.5-amp motor, providing enough power for cutting curves, shapes, and straight lines in wood, metal, and plastic. The variable speed control allows you to adjust cutting power based on the material, and the beveling shoe lets you make angled cuts up to 45 degrees. One of the best features is its WireGuard sightline, which helps you maintain precision while cutting. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and perfect for those who need a compact saw for DIY and home improvement projects. Want the best deal on this? Check the link in the description. PowerSmart Mini Circular Saw. At number 2, we have the PowerSmart Mini Circular Saw, a game changer for precision cutting in tight spaces. Featuring a 5.8-amp motor, this compact yet powerful saw delivers 3,500 revolutions per minute, making it ideal for small woodworking projects, flooring, and panel cutting. The laser guide system ensures accuracy, while the ergonomic design and lightweight body reduce hand fatigue. It also comes with 3 different blades, allowing you to switch between wood, plastic, and metal cutting. If you need a saw that's portable, precise, and perfect for one-handed operation, the PowerSmart Mini Circular Saw is an excellent choice. Check the pinned comment for the best price. Craftsman CMix 600. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Craftsman CMix 600, an electric chainsaw designed for high performance and durability. Powered by a 12-amp motor, this saw delivers consistent power for handling tough jobs. The 16-inch low kickback bar and chain allow for smooth, controlled cuts, while the tool-free chain tensioning system makes it easy to adjust on the go. The built-in auto-oiling system ensures that the chain stays lubricated for peak efficiency. This saw is perfect for cutting firewood, trimming trees, and DIY projects. If you want the best electric saw for wood in 2025, this is the one to get. Don't forget to check the description for the best deals available. That wraps up our list of the best electric saws for wood in 2025. Each of these saws brings something unique to the table, whether it's power, precision, affordability, or portability. Now it's your turn. Which saw do you think is the best fit for your woodworking needs? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Tool Mentorship, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And remember, all the best product links are in the description and pinned comment for your convenience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.